Are you looking for the best and easiest way to clean your home, especially your windows? This is the Norwex basic package and I love it, and I'm going to show you why. First of all, we're going to start with this. This cloth, you just want to get it wet and use it on any surface. You don't need to use any kind of cleaner, and I'll show you how it cleans windows. So I clean with this and then I go over and I polish with this. So let's go look. Okay, so we need to clean a mirror. This is a nice big mirror that we've got here. The first thing I'm going to do is I have taken this Norwex cloth. This is the Enviro cloth. I just dampened it. There's no products. You don't need to use anything on it, no Windex or anything like that. That's the beauty of these products. You just use water. So then I go over it like that and I clean it, and then I take the window cloth and I literally just go over it again, and it just dries it, and you will see it'll be streak free. I love this. I use it for all my windows, anywhere, granite countertops. It's amazing. Like, look how it polished it up. It looks so good. The place I'm going to show you is you can use it. This counter needs cleaning, and again, the beauty of these Norwex, you don't need any kind of cleaning solution with it. That is why they do so well with these cloths, I think, because they're environmentally amazing. So I could leave it and it'll just dry up, or I can just use, again, the polisher. Look at the difference. I'm just going to show you the other side, which I haven't done yet. It's crazy. Look at how dull it is. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? It just works so well.